Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use ChatGPT as a Spanish tutor. So sign up to OpenAI's ChatGPT. You maybe first go into waiting list and then it will approve. Meanwhile, we can take a look at its dashboard. So here at the bottom you will be typing in the prompt. Okay, so let's use prompt to type in I want you to act as a Spanish tutor, or use better word teacher, right? You will provide translation to the sentences I provide you. Avoid explanations. Add the pronunciation of that sentence in a bracket, right? Like this, right? And let's see if I want to quit, exit, then use the keyword quit for exiting out of Spanish teacher mode, right? One more thing we can say, we have to think of things like, let's say, all the sentences that we type in here, we want them as a casual translation, right? So let's make sure to take these sentences as a casual sentences, not professional or business, right? My first sentence is, let's say, my name is, right? Now I will just use the enter option, right? So here it says sure I can help you with that, mi nombre es Mesh. Okay, so it also gives you the pronunciation in bracket, right? Now let's add second. Okay, so como Volvares Rico en Mexico, como Volvares Rico en Mexico. Okay, so like this I can go on and learn Spanish, but it would be kind of limited considering we don't have audio option here. Okay, because if we add that in, then it would be a lot easier to learn things, right? So let's try something like, let's hit enter, and there you go. Como casaré con una chica mexicana. Okay, right? So apart from that, let's type something like, okay, la vida es otra. Justa, they have like hosta. O en hosta. Hosta o en hosta. That means, is it fair or unfair? Okay, so like this I can keep on learning some of the sentences or something like, let's see. Okay, so AI va reemplazar el español. Okay, so like this I can go on with deep questions as well, and it does answer. So let's say now if I wanted to quit, I'll just type in quit. Let's see what it does. Adios. It says bye in Spanish. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask anytime. Right? So we managed one Spanish session with ChatGPT and we used it as a Spanish tutor.